Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. During the time and when Nnamdi Kanu was in charge of a lot of things on Biafra restoration, he had this keen ability of trying to get everyone involved, everyone who believes in the Biafra restoration. Fast forward now, his intention, it looks like a lot is at stake. Right now, there are diverse groups all claiming to fight for the same cause. To the extent that it has now become very obvious that they antagonize themselves. Why IPOB themselves, the DOS, have decided to turn a blind eye to what is happening, and have decided also to look into political solution one way or the other for the leader. The likes of Simon Ekpa and also pilots have decided also to look the other way with the opinion that uh, political solution is not the way out, can never be the way out. The only way out is civil disobedience, sit at home, and many other hosts of plans they have kept lined up for Nnamdi Kanu. As we speak right now, it looks like those agitating for Biafra have divided into two, and they have decided to express their opinion openly. In fact, as we also speak, there are a lot of people who have started unfollowing themselves in the unity that was once formed by Nnamdi Kanu. In a moment, we're going to share all these juicy details, but before we do so, like you subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. While Simon Ekpa had been pointing accusing fingers to IPOB DOS on a lot of things they are doing. In fact, he also went as far as accusing some governors that are behind the scene, according to Simon Ekpa, doing, according to him, the needful. As you speak, things are happening. I'm going to give you a cross section of what is happening right now. Some have decided to expose what they feel is right. Others have also given counter opinion. As we speak, they have left the major issue at hand, except for a handful of very focused people who have decided to forget about the internal squabbles and see how Nnamdi Kanu can come out of where he is right now. Here on social media platforms, they are coming against one another. This one here is saying that he wrote that they created EDUU, that's Edu, to replace Biafra. He said they also created autopilots to replace IPOB. He said they created DOE to replace DOS. They said they created Ekpa Simon Njoko, which is short named ESN, to replace Eastern Security Network, ESN. They created Voice of Biafra to replace Radio Biafra, and yet your eyes are still blind. That's one of the supporters now of IPOB talking. Another person said, "Oh, well, I love the leadership of IPOB. God bless MAK and IPOB DOS. It's actually very particular about IPOB." This one here is saying, if not IPOB, it's not IPOB. Nothing like autopilot IPOB. It's a scam. Okay, this one here is saying, nothing like autopilot IPOB. It's either autopilot or IPOB. There are two different groups on two different missions. One is with MNK, IPOB, DOS, fighting for Biafra restoration. The other one is with the enemy fighting against MNK, IPOB, DOS. Choose your side and stop confusing one another. Have you now seen? But all of them are actually looking towards, according to them, looking towards fighting for Biafra. But they have now turned against one another. It's quite a very pathetic one. But of course, people have started talking now. So here saying, if you're following me, try to understand that this is all about Biafra. Okay, this one here is saying the DOS is a college of decision makers. This one here is saying they can't lead protests in their location. Their only interest is money and fundraising. Disciple my foot. This is serious. This one here is saying, those of you that are hardcore, I want to tell you that you are the heartbeat. This one here says, congratulations, Umuada, Biafra, and Mazis Simon Ekpa. Now, these ones are supporters of the autopilot because we won't take cross section. So it says, congratulations, Umuda, Biafra, and Mazis Simon Ekpa for fundraising to ESN autopilot IPOB shall not die. God Almighty will continue to strengthen you, people, in Yahweh's name. God is great. Umuada, Nsima, Mazis Simon Ekpa has raised more than $1 million for ESN. DOS is dead and buried. Now, this one is a core supporter of autopilot and is also a core supporter of Simon Ekpa. Just to tell you that we have a group of two people strongly following the other one another in a parallel manner and antagonizing themselves in the process. This one here is saying Kunata Kanu and the entire family of MNK, the wife, our legal team DOS is compromised. That's a strong statement coming from Beauty Gina. Said ask them if they have taken any legal actions against the Nigerian government since they are not compromised. Autopiloting, keep deceiving yourselves. We are IPOB and we will continue to remove the shaft. This is serious. This is quite a very strong statement made against the people who have been supported. Now, this one here is saying that Chinasa Nworo is vindicated after Umahi announced on TV that a new counter-agitation group will emerge, and 5 days after the kidnap of MNK, Nelly staged a coup d'etat on the leadership of IPOB after Chinasa refused the offer of betraying MNK by changing the structure of DOS. This is quite strong. This way, but why are you saying that? Now he said, according to the video, according to one Ordinaka Biafra, he showed the video up, but that what he's saying that a new group will emerge. What if it is a Bubago? It could be anyone, it could be anything. Well, let's find out what more people are saying. This one here is saying Simon Ekpa started by coming against some people in the DOS. Then he shifted to the entire DOS. Now he includes IPOB and some people still don't see where he's heading to. Wake up and stop deceiving yourself. Say no to infiltrators. This one here is saying anywhere you see any members of DOS of IPOB, give them cold beer or any drink of their choice in my name. This is serious. This way is a dear Biafra worldwide. Whenever or wherever you see those infiltrators coming against DOS and IPOB, kindly ask them these questions. Are you the one paying the lawyers? Are you the one securing the release of Biafrans across different prisons in Nigeria? Are you the one keeping ESN actively on duty? Are you the one providing logistics for Nnamdi Kanu court cases? Are you the one sustaining the families of ESN members? And so many other questions. But well, from all indication, right now the house is divided. No matter how you want to paint a better picture, a lot of those within have started fighting against one another, and if it continues in this light, the federal government may not even need to look for, just keep their cool and watch things just unfold. This is really a sad one.